geprobeerd.
It's on a stick. Queso.
Are you alright? Pardon?
Kayak was a good link.
Was it?
Lovely fish, beautiful. Aye. It wasn't that big.
How big?
It wasn't that big. Wasn't it?
I've got two, did I tell you? Yeah.
More stable in the big gear.
Oh, you're on.
Just fuck away.
No, it's not here.
Just flew up. Not really late. What time, like?
Much time as you want me, I'm not bothered.
Are you alright?
I'm fine, yeah.
No.
here we go. Second day in a row out on the water. This time going south with the flood out of Roker Harbour. You can see the pier there down in front of me to the north. It's quite a fast drift with the flood. No fish yet. Got mussel, crab. Should do it if the fish are about. And a lovely crystal clear day. That's Hendon, Rye, see him down to the south there. And that's the old south pier, which you're not allowed to fish anymore, but thankfully we can get very close to in the yaks. There's Andy and Steve paddling out. Taking my kag off, stored it at the front there because it's absolutely red hot. About time, been waiting long enough for this weather. Just need the fish to show up now. Got for it? Off the tree. Alright. Hey. This was
had a little increasing 5 at times. Slight, occasionally moderate. Fog patches.
Is it? Well, we'll stop for a little leg stretch. A little beach which not many people get to land on because it's in the back of the docks. No, not supposed to be. But needs must. Lovely little spot actually. Sweat. I see how your yak disappeared. I see how your yak disappeared because mine was away. There's yours away now, Andy. Oh, it's the beach. Aye. Video what? I think.